a nice one-touch outlet through center. Wenberg across the line. Hands it left to Geekie. There's a wrist shot. That hit the post!
Jared McCann was going to be injured for the rest of the game. They make the call.
Welcome to Ball Arena, and welcome to the Avalanche. Potting heat on Grubauer early. Point blank for Evan Rodriguez at one end. Tanev looks cross corner off the stick of Georgiev. The first to it is Donato at the half wall. Couldn't control the puck. Up high, though. It's played down low. Strong. On net. And a kick save made by Georgiev. Kicked the left pad out and took one away from Sprong. Schultz with room. Wrist shot. Save made through traffic by Georgiev. To Sprong on the left wing half boards. Down to the goal line. Schwartz moves in front. Save made by Georgiev. Jaden Schwartz tried to lift the backhander, and he was denied again.
The power play, right? Here's Sprong, gets it down low to Schwartz, and really no passing options open, so Schwartz takes it to the net.
As we are underway, past the midway point of a scoreless first period, game number 5. Erik Johnson to the Seattle line, turned right back by the Kraken. Gathered by the rookie. Ty Cartier brings it across to Beniers. High slot Eberle. Down Broadway. That shot fought off by Georgiev. Schwartz slaps it around. Wenberg gets it into the right wing corner. Geekie, a stick lift. Throws it out in front. Oh, Georgiev! Able off the quick carom to cover up the one touch from Jaden Schwartz.
You want to make sure this power play garners some momentum for you, and then after that it's about more puck possession. There was not enough puck possession for my liking if you're the Avalanche. Let's see if they can get to that part of their game here in this second period.
Able to get it out to the neutral zone. No shots on net for either team so far here in the second period, and we're coming up on 7 minutes gone by. There's one on net, and a save made by Georgiev. Geekie rebounds, score! Just like that, the first shot on net of the second period creates a Geekie rebound opportunity. And the first goal again is scored by the Seattle Kraken
against the Avalanche. And this is another puck battle win. Puck to the net. Watch Morgan Geekie able to come from behind the net, locate the puck, win that puck, and sift it through the legs of Georgiev. But here, good puck protection by Alex Wenberg. All right, that's something we haven't seen from Colorado in this game. That's what I'm talking about. Possessing the puck in the offensive zone, make a play, and then find the loose pucks. It's been more of Seattle.
Malgin had the puck hop over his stick, and that allows an exit of the zone as Cartier was able to deflect it out to the neutral zone, right back in on the attack. Grubauer able to make a save on the edge of the blue paint. He takes one away from Ben Myers. Bob Wischusen, Brian Boucher, Leah Hextall here in Denver at Ball Arena. Game number 5. Rantanen throws one towards the net. Karam's in! Score! Off the glove of Grubauer, Rantanen does it again! And we're tied at 1. Did McKinnon get a piece in front of the Rantanen wrister? It looks like he did.
A poor handle by Philip Grubauer. He doesn't get enough on it, and the turnover goes to Mikko Rantanen, and Rantanen quickly gets it to the net. And it's a fortuitous bounce off the glove of Grubauer, off the skate of McKinnon. This will count. It is not a kicking motion, but what seemed to be all Seattle.
McKinnon in the right wing corner. Tough to control, taken down. Crowd hoping for a call. McKinnon slams his stick on the glass, complaining that he should have been granted a minor, and the officials say play on. Eberle down low, shot, score! Cartier! Welcome to the NHL! Welcome to the playoffs! What a debut! Save the puck! It's 2-1 Kraken!
A non-call down in the offensive zone for Colorado. McKinnon wants a tripping call. He doesn't get it. He's incensed. And as he goes to the bench, he has several words for the official, but as he gets to the bench, Seattle able to possess the puck, and Colorado not able to get into defensive positioning.
Eberle moves in, shoots wide, all the way around the boards and out. McKinnon races to a loose puck, moves in. McKinnon centers one. Oh, a save man, it looked like Grubauer sprawled to his right. Lehkonen just shot it wide. Plays it back to the point. Byram looking to create space. Drops one off to Manson. Across the Comfort. Shot save made by Grubauer. The rebound stuffed out. And Grubauer covers it up on the edge of the crease with his glove. And gets the whistle. Lehkonen carries to the half wall. Byram at the line. McKinnon thought about a one-timer. Byram tries one. Blocked in front. And Callens to the corner. Grubauer made the save. And Yanni Gourde slams it high off the glass and out.
They've got to find ways to, after getting it on the forecheck, possess it and spend more time in the offensive zone. 50 seconds left on this power play. Let's see if they can get something accomplished. Already 4 shots on this power play.
Yanni Gourde trying to win a puck along the half wall. Took it away from Newhook. And now Tolvanen back to the point. Round in behind the net, Bjorkstrand. Pivots away from Newhook. Backed up high to the point again. Shot. Score! Through traffic in front. The wrister is home from Soucy. And it's a 2-goal lead for Seattle. Was it tipped in front by Gourde?
Generates nothing. After the kill for Seattle, they get to work. Possess pucks down low. And then Gourde does a great job of getting body position on Bowen Byram here. As you can see, he's able to get out and get a stick on it.
Yanni Gourde had 3 assists in this series. That's his first goal. And again, it's out in front. Save Georgiev and almost got shoved into his own net.
Colorado is stunned. Watch this play here by Garche, able to get to the puck first and create this chance for Matty Beniers. And Georgiev is fortunate. This puck does not go in off of his own.
Some pressure here for Colorado, trying to respond. Rantanen swings it to Comfort. Comfort straight away, Rantanen into traffic in front. Save Grubauer does the splits and covers up.
This point shot gets through, but watch 24 and right as he's able to tie up.
Rantanen has the puck back, high slot. Tumbles to the ice. The crowd obviously hoping for a call there. Nothing coming. Bjorkstrand in. Backhands just wide. He split the defense, but missed the net. Byram steps in. Takes the puck away. And has to reverse away from Tolvanen. Being hounded. Gave it away once again. Bjorkstrand out in front. Tolvanen. Save made. Georgiev holds on to it with the glove, but relentless. The Tolvanen Gourde Bjorkstrand line does it again. McKinnon brings it up high. To the bench goes Georgiev, the extra attacker on. With 3:45 to go, it's Rodriguez. McKinnon plays it back to Rodriguez. Thought about a shot. Over to Rantanen. Back to Rodriguez. That flutters. Score! It's deflected in front with the net empty. The Avalanche strike, and it's a 1-goal game. 3:37 to go. It's not over yet.
Rodriguez up top. It's important that this puck gets through. I think it goes off of Weinberg. And then perhaps off Alexiak. I think this is going to be Rodriguez's goal. 1 deflection, 2 deflections. Yeah, it's going to be Rodriguez's goal. So, boy, oh boy, what a break the Avalanche get on this double deflection. And they now have life with 3:37 left.
At the center line stripe. A battle on for it. Rodriguez retreats to play goalie. Yard with a fire. And there's Rodriguez to make the save. Bowen Byram. Desperation time to make Rantanen across the line. He misses that stretch pass, and that will do it. The Kraken survive and win it by 1 here in Game 5.